Oh boy, welcome.
Yeah,
How far I know say this our country, many things don't happen since when you go.
Fact.
Many things happen since when you go.
I tell you,
Many things happen. Many things happen. At least you could share your experience now with us as the show they run. That's all that. Today you go pay me small because I no go see clear eye till welcome people. Come on, talk the show.
Wetin do your eye?
The Sansa where dey this eye so Sansa where enter this my eye today. He reached to mold 6 inches block like 32.
That half
Sansa full this eye.
half bungalow.
As I dey come studio just now enter Okada.
Okay.
The idiot Okada rider just carry me dey follow trailer for back. Trailer wey carry 22 tires, 11 this side, 11 this side. All the Sansa where the trailer tire dey throw away for back. All the internally displaced Sansa na my eye na all of them set to put. This eye full o, Sansa wey full my eye now, not be small thing o. Not be small thing.
I can feel your pain.
The eye dirty, the eye dirty. All right, based on that, my brothers and sisters in the Lord and the general matter, now with open mind as usual, but with dirty eye. Now take welcome now come on top the portmanteau today. And I know say this one another one show where they get the mind to chook mouth for matters where other shows not they get the mind to chook mouth. Put and I'm me Osagato, that fine proud believer all of radical talk. Nice to see that here. So and I'm not there alone. I'm there with my usual guest, my honorable fellow.
That's what I old boy Bamidele Opemi Belu, we everybody call MC Bob. Yes, me I did with a very clear eyes and a very, very friendly heart today to welcome our studio for the portmanteau.
That's so. All of that one I don't watch this program before. When I know as we always do, and immediately after we introduce ourselves, finish like this, we go rush go collect our cup of coffee as it is hot. Another one I won't go do right now. We could not go anywhere. We'll come back very shortly. Now so life is good.
A good coffee.
With good coffee. Now so Bob.
Yeah, bro.
Get with the reason. Get with the worry me.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
You get anything where you dey do unconsciously. Where we say you dey do this thing. Where we say the thing now don't come even the turn usual practice. And you know they know when you dey do am, but you go just know say you do this thing and you dey do am regularly. Now the thing don call the turn habit. You get anyone where you get like that?
I get.
Which one?
You see that time when I did grow up, I suck my finger reach one certain stage because I'm gentle. I know they talk.
Okay.
If you put water from my mouth, you go meet the water.
You go meet am there.
So based on that, when I want to think. You know, when I come the reach on stage of my life, when thinking when they enter, I go dey bite my finger.
Oh yeah.
I go dey bite my finger. I go dey bite am. You know, unlike those wey say when they get baby, those wey get baby, they go do like you know, think as a man. You know, but me, I don't get not today. I go dey bite my finger and say, oh boy, this one, I made this one pure like this.
This was saying that's what they do from small. Don't turn habit. Even up till now you dey do am.
Up till now, unconsciously I dey do am. I be the public place like that. Crack head, they crack back with joke.
You call it I don't notice as you do am so now I dey notice that. I don't notice am. Even inside studio say you dey do am. I notice am. You know I get one or two also like that. Okay. I get one or two like that. I just gonna say, you don't turn usual practice. If I piece finish, the next thing we are good now to spit on top my piece. The thing don't master me. I don't know where I get that brain from. I don't know where I get that. If I hear piece like, I don't know what they do. I don't know the effect. I don't know the implication. I don't know whether I get any advantage. But I just gonna say, if I hear piece finish, either for before now for public, if I piece for main road or I piece for street or I piece for near tree or I piece for gutter, I will just spit. You understand? But now because this is how master me, so even if I piece inside my own personal bedroom now, I go still spit on top.
He don't dey.
I don't dey used to that. Honestly, I don't dey used to that.
On a serious
that's all those habits where the masterman, where person still grow up with.
Yes,
you know. I beg all those stuff now when I watch us. If una get any habit where una self get, where una dey practice, I beg make una hit our comment box, make una let us know. Then if una get any habit before, where una not like, where una don change. When I not call the do again, I don't stop, I not call the do again. Still hit our comment box. Let us know the habit. Let us know the steps where you take overcome that habit. Now so we go to enter our first matter on top the portmanteau today. Bob, this matter now wetin touch me o. A matter wey touch me seriously. A mature woman.
Okay.
A mature woman. Just go bracket her daughter for hotel. Where guys dey grikpa the girl and dey suswonu the girl at the same time. Grikpa and suswonu. Oh my.
The woman don't want make the daughter enjoy. You don't want make the daughter chop fruit.
Chop which kind fruit?
The hip fruit.
Which fruit?
The fruit where hip chop.
They tell her that fruit that Eve chop. They say Bible say no misquote o. No Bible say Eve chop apple.
And the eyes are open.
And her eyes are open. No be green pass this one. The woman don catch the daughter for hotel. You understand?
Yeah.
You know, come malhandle the girl. He malhandle the girl o. You malhandle the girl, beat the girl up for hotel. Even call dey threa ten for that hotel say if they reach house, say na pepper water, na she go take baff the girl. Based on say the girl no fit close her lap.
Yeah.
He said the girl no fit close lap. Say na pepper water go take baff am. You know, but when the video come touch me now,
okay,
yeah.
Before
we begin to talk about the video, make our people view the video, make them see wetin we dey talk about. Alright, people wanna see wetin we dey talk about. Look that video, I see a mother who is embittered. Let me use that English.
Yes.
The woman was so embittered. She was not happy with the lifestyle or the step where her daughter dey take. She was so embittered in that video.
I can feel her pain. I can feel her pain as a mother. But no be today yansh dey back.
No.
E dirty.
Dirty.
Back titi from the days of Adam and Eve. when the innuendo was in the apple form, and both Eve was tempted to eat the fruit, and the Bible says, and if I were open, and the Bible says Adam also had the fruit,
and his eyes too were open. But in this case now, the girl now, like say na her own eye now na just dey open because the guys wey dey gree pa the girl susunu, those ones eye don open tey dem don first chop one apple. Dem don chop apple tire.
Those ones are dey represent serpent. Wey dey say Eve, take this fruit.
Oh boy, you know but wetin me I come dey look
yeah, bros.
Wait, the question wey me I wan ask
okay,
now, the action wey that woman take on that girl,
yes,
does it correspond with our present society and this present age where we dey now?
You see, from the video we watch, so I see a woman who is traumatized, who actually wants the best for her daughter. We would not have known how the girl was being trained. That's not our business. No?
Okay.
But with the video we've seen so far, may I believe say the woman should have approached. But that's the best way she feels she can approach it. Maybe she don't talk for a long time.
Okay.
Say this girl, this is the way you don't start. Stop
am.
If it brings shame to you, if you get belly, if you get disease, if you do this, you know. And me I believe say that woman, that approach there, it could just make the girl decoded the more.
Good. Now wetin I wan talk be that, because you see that approach wey that woman take, so e go further push the girl outside.
Na so.
You understand? Because
Yes.
this kind of problem not be problem where Cain beating pepper water dey solve o.
No.
Because if you see this girl now e be like say the way where the girl dey beg like say she just dey start.
You just dey start. Na true.
You understand? Because if na girl wey don mature inside the business she go rebel.
She go change am.
She go change am for her mama say mama you don do your own let me do my own. You don enjoy your time. Let me enjoy my own time. You understand? That na for girl wey don mature inside the runs. But this one now e dey beg.
I'm mature.
If you see the girl dey beg, that mean say the girl just dey start. But me I no come recommend or I no come advise the step wey the mama dey take because na harsh step.
Very harsh.
E go further push the girl outside.
Yes.
E go further push the girl outside. Yes, the girl go come form another modus operandi.
Go develop some psychological.
And if the mama no take care, that girl go run comot for house.
She go run, obviously.
She go run comot for house.
All those guys go tell her say come.
Come, we get house for you. You
So
know
that
those
they go
bad
dey
boys wey
service
foot
her
am.
morning and night.
Come. They go waste her life for her. You
Give
understand?
am-
You
give am
understand?
breakfast.
But wetin me I come dey reason again for the matter na the mama herself. The mama herself. Before your daughter come be like this,
Yes.
where you dey? The mama lifestyle.
Another thing.
Nobody know the mama lifestyle. Whether na the mama lifestyle na the girl see so where she took all the copy.
Yes.
You understand now? Nobody know.
Yes.
Nobody know.
Yoruba adage go say na the horse wey dey front na the one wey dey back
They follow. If that one lost, the one wey dey back to go lost.
lost.
If that one see road, the one wey dey back to go
see road.
go see road. Honestly, the thing dey touch me na very bad story. But now the action wey the mama take now, which implication e get on top that girl for society now?
You see, basically when you want to correct, Yoruba go talk say no be the beheading of the head. Say no be say you comot head comot for neck.
Na dey cure headache.
Cure headache. You see, e get some kind action wey you go take. E go just give the girl some more reasoning to dey more coded.
Like dialogue.
Yes, you see, when you tell the girl say this thing sit am down, a lot of parents no even dey teach their children sex education. They no dey teach them. They go dey hide am. Even I don say religious parents, no be even all those religious parents sef wey be say they no wan talk about am. They just dey hide am.
E no good o.
And they no go teach these people say na like this.
Na like this, na like that.
Time wey be say those girls they go tell them say if man touch you, you
go get belle.
And you know those kind of things, those kind of.
And na so they tell we guys too. Yes, say if you touch girl, the girl go get belle.
Na later wey be say when we wan come dey I know say we dey touch, but na you know when we wan.
No, leave the touch.
The touch.
When we concentrate on the one we touch now.
No be all the time.
Not be all the time. But wetin be the reason now be say like this sex education thing wey you talk is very important.
Yes.
It's very important for parents. Parents make una dey give una children sex education especially when they don dey reach that age. 10, 12, even from 9.
Yes.
Even from 9. Many parents go say I know if we tell them now e go open their eye. Na wetin dem know dem go wan try dem go wan test.
Ignorance.
No. Ignorance is better say make you teach them than make dem go learn and come from outside. Because outside no go teach them the right part.
Dem teach them the one wey go favour them.
The one wey go favour the outside. No be the girl, but you as the parents you go teach her the one wey go favour the girl.
Yes.
And wey go also favour the family name.
Yes.
And that is why you see like that many Christian home where you talk now. I know say many Christian home dem no dey teach their children about sex education. They dey fear. And if you notice now, many girls, many pastor daughters.
I dey see.
They carry belle out of wedlock.
I dey see.
Yes, not be say I know 1, 2, 3 pastor daughters wey carry belle out of wedlock.
Bros,
and why? Na because of say dem no gree teach them sex education.
That's true.
You understand that? So please parents, it is very expedient, especially now where we say rapists full everywhere.
Everywhere.
So you have to teach your children, your daughters. Give them guidelines, things where they go see, where you go make them run.
Yes.
You know, from men, if girl where man go touch a girl now, you understand? The girl fit not count am as anything, but the man get ulterior motive. And the girl fit not know.
No, you know
You
they
understand?
don't tell am.
But now when the parents teach her say if man touch you like this, run. or shout or do this for the man or do that
because
for the man.
This is what will happen.
Yes, this is where the man is going.
This one is a lie. This one is a lie.
Truth.
This one is true.
Oh.
Make the girl for no go chop apple, sisi apple sweet.
Make I can open.
I can open.
And if I open any corner, every day go to the miaka chaka braka tiaka.
Why not sisi apple sweet?
You go see wetin sweet come on.
Everybody go like am.
You go chop her tire, I go chop her tire. Alright, my people, I don't see this story. We don't talk the small one. We feel say we feel talk. Parents are better. Not forget to give my children sex education for house. Go help them. It's better than beating.
Yes.
You know, because if they beat them too much, like what did that woman they do for that video just now? The girl go wrong come up for us.
You go wrong.
Last, the girl go wrong. I get a typical example like that for the yard where we stay before we stay grow. Get one lady. The moment she enter secondary school, now she begin the susu onu up and down. The susu onu, and anytime she go susu onu like this, her parents go trace am. When they trace am go, they go beat am come house. E get one susu onu where she go susu onu sef. The parents catch her, chain am down for weeks.
Right.
Could you believe that after that chaining down for weeks, the day where they release the girl?
Yes.
The day where they release the girl, the next day the girl dress up like say she dey go school. I no wan mention her name. Na Urobo girl. She dress up like say she dey go school. She don load her bag. Na from there she go. Till we pack comot for that house, they no see the girl.
Hey.
She go. You understand? You know, so na so e no be na dialogue. Na dialogue. Na dialogue. Alright, the first matter we will take on top the portmanteau today, in case you get any experience or you get any advice for that mother, those of now wanna get motherly love, you get any advice for the woman, make una help us put am inside our comment box and we will forward them to the woman as we dey receive all of una comment or una advice as the woman fit take correct that girl better than the way where she take the do am so. You understand? Alright, the next matter wey enter inside the portmanteau, like we talk, na the matter we wanna know, na the matter where we know, and the matter where we also know. SARS.
Popular matter.
SARS. FSAR.
SARS.
Wetin be the full meaning of that? Federal
Special Anti-Robbery Squad.
Anti-robbery
squad.
Anti-robbery
squad.
You know wetin dey sweet me?
The robbery, see as we dey emphasize the robbery squad.
But no, you dey emphasize, but inside their name now or inside their operation, the robbery dey very silent.
Anything goes.
Anything goes.
Anywhere squad.
Oh boy, this one we say dey laugh, so it's very bad.
In fact,
it's very bad. Many of this many people wey don get the nefarious activities experience of SARS for our country. Now I know say over the weekend something happen for Ughelli. Far away where the report where we receive, they let us understand say SARS shoot one guy, carry in Lexus.
Run. To
be precise, the Lexus was a white RS Lexus Jeep. They carried the Lexus run. You understand? That was the info where we received. And the video where we received.
Now follow them so they run.
Follow them, oh.
They run.
Did not kill the boy, oh. Save that Ughelli.
Save that Ughelli. See them.
009.
009.
For front of
Wetland
Hotel. See the Lexus, oh. Now the boy get this Lexus, oh. When they see her, see them, oh. They don't kill the boy, oh. The boy they road, oh. See them, oh.
That incident happen. Sure, you know so many people talk.
Yes.
Many people just come up with the end SARS.
Because provoke people. See,
provoke people. Provoke people vex.
The robbery where they then are to be against. Now they do like say now
we citizens now can be the robbery. No, now we citizens be robbery now. We will not carry arms. We will not get any. You understand? So now waiting complain people about the SARS matter that people go enter streets. The hala that almost turn mini war. It turn like a Jigule war. Ughelli scatter now. That weekend Ughelli scatter, enter every part, enter Asaba, enter everywhere. You understand? But where the SARS matter come dey painful, we say Nigeria, it come be like say they just set them up against young men.
Na so.
If you dress well, go out, you are in problem. You carry dreadlock, you are in problem. you wear jalamia,
You dey
SARS catch you.
You wear tattoo.
SARS catch you. You palm hair, SARS
iPhone,
catch you.
iPhone wey dey expensive in the hand of young people.
You
Na
carry
wahala.
laptop, problem.
Problem.
And you know where the problem is serious. Once they grab you for trouser like that, no say SARS go just dey waka, they just grab you, bra.
Na so.
For trouser like this. Once they grab you for trouser like this, you don't enter.
You don't enter. Oh.
You don't enter. And the funniest part or the most nefarious part of their nefarious activity, let me use tautology. Nefarious part of their nefarious activity, they say, once they grab you like that, my guy, a minimum of 10,000.
Na so. They go even follow you go ATM. ATM stand. You go cash out.
My neighbor's son.
Yes.
My neighbor's son. Young boy where they Unilag.
Okay.
Young boy they Unilag where they school. That's how they catch the guy now. Small boy, they catch the guy. The guy say he be student, he be Unilag student. This they say for where you be Yahoo, they check him laptop, they not see anything for a laptop. Check him phone, they not see anything for a phone.
They no see ID card.
Instead of them to release the guy, small boy, they are picking age, all those SARS, they are picking age, where they Unilag. They carry the boy go ATM.
Imagine.
True life story. They carry that young boy go. My neighbor's son, you understand?
Yeah.
They carry the boy go ATM, go withdraw money, give them before they leave that boy. That
Bros, this one na life experience and I don share this one with you before. SARS, I dey inside bus. E be like say they do stop and start that day. I no know. So as our boss dey approach, na commercial bus, public bus. As our boss dey approach them, one jeep, they wan use us, our boss, stop
the jeep.
the jeep. And all of a sudden it just happen. They just call gun, kpaka. So e be like say the guy wey dey back, the guy sef, citizens more na dey careful. If you no get any mosquito inside, any this
Skeleton,
more na dey take things calm, but they understand the fear of people.
Yes.
Because that day I fear. Now so the jeep just come up and front. Everything just be like say na film, na drama. I just hear kpa kpa kpa, say kpa. I mean I dey sit for front. Then I carry my head go down. I don fear. Then the next thing, they say, yeah, bastard, they call it face our driver. Let's say now our driver cause issue.
Problem.
I come to say, see, you want to kill us? See how you open fire. The guy cock gun, oh, tell me, say, I will kill you and I will tell them you're a robber. Hey. A stupid man.
Hey.
Come now. They come to tell me.
He say go kill you.
He go kill you.
He go report say you go robber.
Yes, I be thief. So I will claim you a robber, a madman. Come down. And then one old woman waiting inside bus. The woman start to cry. They tell them, make they leave me. The woman, no, the woman before. I gentle. Boss, yeah. I gentle that day.
Once they come out like that, and it get one lady story now where she post on social media too. You understand? I don't know. Blessed there be girls, there be students too. They SARS just burst into their apartment early in the morning.
Yeah, so I watch
you see the video.
I see the
just
video.
enter those girls, small young girls. Just enter their apartment. They search. Thank God say they record. Now the one where catch me pass or where he give me some mental torture pass for that video be say the lady say you just barge into our house as if we are criminals. You understand? The man come say what are you not criminals?
What kind of operation is that?
You confirm people to be criminals without trial, without seeing, and the search one come search nothing una see. Nothing
they carry their laptop come dey
nothing wey dem see.
Nothing at us like we are criminals or something.
Shut up!
Hey. Hey, God.
Are you not criminal?
I don't laugh. My hair.
Is that the way you're supposed to address them?
Is this the way they are supposed to come into our house early in the morning?
Okay, I think you don't see the video.
Yes.
Just enter
Very pathetic.
enter girls hostel. You understand? You get another video where I go still show as this because of this program they go on. The girl they sell gas.
Okay.
They say those guy, the guy and the lady just come buy gas for her shop. Before you know, they just clear. SARS just brackets the guy there. Tell her make he enter inside their motor. Now so they take arrest. Meanwhile, the girl where they sell the gas, the video says, "See, they just came to buy gas from you." Now they are no. As a young man, you know if you buy Mercedes Benz. As a young man, you know if you buy Lexus.
Imagine.
You understand? Okay, wait till they want more they buy. More they buy Bito.
Abi.
Many people, many prominent Nigerians, they come out,
yes.
Like Dr. Joaba come out, he talk, he say, and the police of Nigeria are not aware of the nefarious activities of SARS or that they support it. I don't understand. You know, and they say they are not aware of the activities.
What is happening
with SARS, or they just throw away face.
Better man with
you know,
with
Ben Bruce still talk, the man with common sense.
Common sense.
Ben Bruce, if the man don't make common sense, common sense not green make sense. Ben Bruce, common sense not green make sense. Ben Bruce say even citizens, he say every citizen owns the right to life, liberty and happiness. He say but in Nigeria, the very body tasked with ensuring the protection of life and properties is the same body denying these rights. So our citizens, enough is enough. The time to end SARS brutality is now. Now we talk about Bruce talk with that.
Korema.
You know, it's pathetic. Say the same people, whether they pay taxpayers, whether they use taxpayers' money to pay salary, your money, your tax and my tax, then they gather till they pay their salary. Those people now, once they use my money, they fight me.
Imagine.
They kill me.
Imagine.
I think you get the logic now.
Bros, you never hear all those those SARS, they get nickname. You go hear some kind nickname, you go fear, say, this was our police.
I tell you. And you know the name where they call their squad, the place like they enter their head. Scorpion squad, Buffalo squad, this one squad. Why they not go stink? As you don't call person Scorpion squad, you go one sting now. You go one sting now. Yes, you understand? Oga Sunday Dare to talk. He say this government will not let that continue to happen. You know, he said this government, no, you know, Sunday Dare now the Minister of Youth and Sport. Is he Minister of Youth and Sport or Minister of Youth? Minister of Youth. He said this will not continue. Say this government will not let this continue to happen. This morning I got assurance that the police authority will take necessary and definitive action. SARS officers responsible for this systemic assault on the youth should be brought to book.
Good one, Oga. Good one, Oga Minister.
Where is it brought to book? Somebody can ask her which book? Genesis, Deuteronomy. You know, they have been bringing them to book. Which chapter are we on that book now? You understand? You know, it's not enough to bring them to book.
Let them be solid.
Let them be solid repercussion for every negligence.
Yes.
You understand? On the course of duty. You understand? These are taxpayers' money, and then you have to. Article 2 talk. Article said the Special Anti-Robbery Squad SARS unit of the Nigerian police was set up to confront violence crime such as armed robbery, kidnapping, and other related crimes. He said, however, the unit has today morphed into an oppressor of the Nigerian masses who strive every day for a better life.
Abi Oga Atiku don talk finish. I don't understand.
Yeah, wetin the man talk. They are against you for living a good life.
I don't understand.
Person wey work hard. So now, as we dey now, they see us dey drive Benz now. From departmental presenters, we don't turn Yahoo boys.
Imagine.
Overnight.
We don't dey process them.
So the end SARS, this thing matter where they happen since. Me, I like am.
Okay.
I like I say people they
voice out.
And you know say immediately, IG immediately talk. Immediately he ban them.
Like he always ban them.
He ban SARS. Like they always ban SARS. No, but this time I sure say he banned them for real.
He banned them for
real. Say no more routine check, no more stop and search, no more road block. And now they must be wearing uniform.
Better.
Not that way you go wear. You don't even see the SARS.
They wear glove.
Wait.
They tint their hair.
Yeah. You don't see some SARS officers.
I didn't see them.
You go show fear.
Yes, they look like criminals.
And now this was like they make normal citizens. They always they the rebel or
yes.
Wait, I won't put the language safe.
Oh. Yeah, I understand you say.
Not the rebel actually. This all they are dressing. Now they make a head. Citizens they resist arrest.
Resist. Okay.
You understand? You where you wear dreadlock, tint one part with black, tint another part with red. Put earring. Some put nose ring. You understand? You know, leave your baby, carry gun. You want arrest me? I go resist. I will say, who are you in the first place?
Imagine.
Who are you?
I see one now wear native, normal native, carry gun. Want to stop people for express.
Who are you? You know, but another twist now where come out for the End SARS campaign. Now one video where Daddy Shoki do.
Okay.
You understand? And that video I reason with her.
Okay.
I reason with her. Okay. So my people, make we watch Daddy Shoki response. That video now go bring the new twist to the End SARS campaign where they go on now.
Do we really like the truth? Do we really like the truth? Yes, we they do campaigns, say make the end SARS. Now to end SARS be the problem. If you end the SARS, you go scrap police. You not go scrap police. Those people are still policemen. Those people where they misbehave. They be still policemen. The main thing now orientation. Make them our police. If they ask you now to come join police, your first intention now to oppress people, to wicked people, to use your position, oppress people. So now orientation. Inside police, they are good policemen, good honorable policemen. No be say every police line bad. Today, if you like, End SARS, you no go stop waiting they happen.
I think you don't see Daddy Shoki video.
Yeah, midbrain.
Now that video don't put a very big twist to the whole End SARS matter.
Movement, yes.
You understand? And I see say Shoki make brain.
Midbrain.
He make brain. Because End SARS. If they end SARS now, people where they for the SARS squad, na police them be.
Na police them be.
How many police them be?
Na police them be.
If you end that squad, that means say all those police where they that squad, you go draft them go other
squad,
other department.
Not true.
So if they go other department, the mentality where they carry come from their SARS, they go take and go influence other people where be that department.
Yes.
Until you see the risk.
It's na big risk.
So Daddy Shoki advice. So instead of End SARS, orientation I they need.
Reorientate them.
Give them proper orientation.
Reform them.
Oh yeah, talk another one.
You know, reinstitute them.
Re-energize
them.
The energy where they get never too much. Love it, yeah, my energy when they get time, make them recapsulate them.
Reinstitute them.
Recapsulate. When they recapsulate SARS, you understand? Reform them. Send them to training.
Yes.
Bring experts to train them. I told the part of Daddy Shoki, I want Nigerian police to see how they can reform SARS. Make it a respectable squad.
Yes.
Give them proper orientation. They are not supposed to be against the people they are supposed to be for. They are for us. They shouldn't be against us. You understand me now? Yeah, I'm a young boy working hard for myself. I shouldn't be afraid to spend my money.
That's so.
You understand? I shouldn't be afraid to spend my money. Thank you, Daddy Shoki, for that wise video where you drop. You make sense with that video where you drop. You make brain. I'm not so. Make we just lay SARS matter to rest on top the portmanteau today. If you get any experience with SARS before, either good experience or because despite us already talking about SARS, to some people still they praise SARS.
Yes.
Say if not be SARS will help them. If not be SARS will help them.
Gotcha.
You understand? If you get any experience about SARS, either good experience or bad experience, just hit our comment box. Make you help us put on there so that everybody go understand where SARS now all bad or some bad, some good. You understand? Okay, now so we'll take now only for Naija. Bob, you get any message?
Brush it.
Okay.
Now only for Naija or na Naija person.
Okay.
Wey be say they go take in light. He go run go outside go check if na other people self they take their light. Because say Naija person we know they like cheating at all. They like cheating. They must take everybody
Naija
life.
man don't like shit.
They must take everybody
If
life.
they take my life, they must take everybody life. And the same bill we dey pay. This guy, where you dey think they go? I never understand. Na only for Naija or Naija person na he go borrow money for your hand. When you go ask her to pay you back, e go still get mind to tell you say park well. No go let me dey owe. Even federal government sef na gbese be their middle name. Naija you zoom. Alright my people, na so we go take quest generator on top the show today. Last no let them deceive you. Coronavirus still dey, na real. Make sure say you dey apply your nose mask well anywhere where you dey go. Dey wash your hand with soap and water regularly. Not let your sanitizer far from you. Last don't forget to dey give the number 2-meter gap wey they say make we dey give ourselves at every point in time. Finally don't forget say you be Naija anywhere where you dey rep this country well. Not follow them do wetin go spoil this country name. Not do drugs because you no get any better thing wey you do for body. Na so we go take comot for studio today. Alright, until next show again we say make una hold una chest tight. But na so. Thanks my brother. Na so.